Professor, kita mo, student sinabi ko ha.
Kasi yan mo, sabi
Student,
mo.
professor.
Yan, pinapatanda mo niyo yun, sir.
Pinapatanda mo ako eh.
Susunod yan, doktor na.
Okay.
Wait. Dali. Wala lang tayo. Mabayitan sila ito eh.
Ibig sabihin, mahina na yung ulo.
Hindi ko nibigat yung nakaupo.
Hindi po.
Mahina yung upuan.
Mahina yung upuan.
Yung walang...
Sira na.
Okay ka na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good afternoon members of the press. Today I will be briefing you on the preparations or particular security preparations or the PNP preparation for the INC Centennial Celebration. The PNP is all set to provide security coverage and public safety measures in Bukawi, Bulacan, which will be highlighted on July 27, 2014 for the Centennial Celebration of the Iglesia ni Cristo. The Police Regional, this will be spearheaded by the Police Regional Office 3, the PNP, led by Police Chief Superintendent Raul Petrasanta, and that the PNP will provide at least 3,200 PNP personnel for security coverage and related functions, as well as traffic assistance, and they will be augmented by 200 members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines and 1,500 MMDA personnel plus 2,000 force multipliers. Mga civilian to pag force multipliers, aming like barangay barangay peacekeeping forces as well as civilian volunteer organizations. The said activity will be held at the Philippine Arena, Ciudad de Victoria, in Bukawi, Bulacan, where an approximate of around 2 million INC members from different ecclesiastical districts nationwide and church congregations from almost 112 countries are expected to attend. The safety of the delegates and participants, both foreign and local, on the Centennial Celebration of INC is the primary concern of the PNP, as initiated by the Regional Director, Police Chief Superintendent Petrasanta. On July 2, 2014, President Benigno Aquino issued Proclamation number 815 declaring the year 2014 as Iglesia ni Cristo Centennial Year, which is the largest homegrown Christian church in the Philippines, established in 1914 by Brother Felix Y. Nanalo. The Philippine National Police asks for the active support of different public and private organizations to help in the successful and peaceful celebration of the event. In addition, or furthermore, all units and offices of the PNP will be placed at heightened alert status effective 3 p.m. on July 25 for all the upcoming events, in particular the INC Centennial Celebration on Sunday, the State of the Nation Address of the President on Monday, July 28, and the end of the Muslim Eidul Fitr on Tuesday, July 29. Unit commanders were then reminded also to secure all vital installations, economic key points, as well as places of convergence, and ensure a high state of operational readiness to deter unlawful activities. Similarly, ito related lang naman, the alert status of Police Regional Offices 3, 4A, NCRPO, and the Special Action Force will be upgraded to full alert status effective 5 a.m. on July 26 for the SONA. However, regional directors of other PROs were given the discretion by the Chief PNP to upgrade their alert level depending on the prevailing peace and order situation in their respective areas of responsibility as they may deem necessary. A copy of the press statement, press release will be sent through your email. So, yun ang general natin. Ang mga bagay na tatandaan lang natin, lalo na sa INC, as to ensure the safety of the delegates and participants, for the celebration of the INC centennial anniversary. We of course are hoping to attain a zero incident in this conduct of this major event. We will have airtight security coverage. Of course, the coordination being done was started since December 2013. The PNP has been planning the security coverage in coordination with the INC. And of course, we are enjoining everybody to also support us in this desire to ensure a peaceful conduct of the three events by informing your nearest police station of any significant activity. Questions?
Sir, meron ba
Sir, may
threat
monitoring
ba kayo? Kung meron bang kanino?
Saan nanggagaling?
Ako sa'yo.
Oo, nandito si...
Well, as of this moment, as of this time and date, the PNP has not received any significant threat to the incident, but we are working on different possible scenarios or situations. We are continuing to validate and evaluate whatever information received by our intelligence community, yung mga natatanggap ng aming other government agencies, na allied agencies that are involved in law enforcement and information gathering, such as, of course, the AFP, the BNP, FBI, and NICA, and other local government units, information gathering agencies.
So yung made-deploy sa INC, sila din yung magpapatuloy sa SONA o ibang personnel na doon?
The particulars of that kind of rotation, because in the SONA, ang lead agency dyan would be already the NCRPO as spearheaded by the QCPD naman. And they will simply be augmented by the other PNP regions, particularly on the aspect of crowd management, civil disturbance management, and of course yung reserve forces.
So sir, walang overlapping ng...
Well, as a policy of the PNP operations, we of course try to avoid overlapping of duties kasi siyempre mapapagod naman yung madi-detail sa Region 3 na mapupunta pa sa SONA. And that is why we have requested augmentation from the other police regional offices.
Sir, while we don't expect anything na nangyayari sa INC, bakit sobrang dami po ng personnel na nakadeploy? Hindi ko man lalo magpapadami pa ng tao yung magpapadami.
Because we're expecting the volume of the delegates and participants is also considerably large, just basing alone from the capacity of the arena and the venue. Of course, mas mahirap i-manage din yun. It is, I think the actual number, of course, yung PNP complement is only 3,200, which is not even a significant percentage of the whole population of Police Regional Office 3. Incidentally, tinanong na sa akin to, sasagutin ko na sa inyo, there are about 3,000 members of the Iglesia ni Cristo, more than, of course, hindi exact yun, more than 3,000 members of the Iglesia ni Cristo in the active PNP service.
So will they be allowed?
Depending siguro if they request, or most likely they will be allowed if they have no really critical duties to perform. And besides, yes, it is Sunday. It is after our Sunday. Pero ano yun, national yun. Based on our available records, hindi kasali doon yung nag-convert or ano. Based on the PNP records on file, we have more than 3,000 members of the INC in the active PNP service.
So since napakalaki ng magnitude ng nakita niyo, napakaraming tao din.
Yes. And including, please take note, Edwin, yung foreign delegates and participants, yun ang din pinapantayan namin.
Anong mga assets ang gagamitin niyo? Puro kayo ground, mag-i-air pa kayo, hira mga
Yes, in fact, we are kasama dun sa actually finer details of the preparation is ground, sea, and air.
Ground, sea, and air.
Yes, kaya lang wala naman sea doon. So maybe sa air and ground, yeah.
So most likely AFP chopper.
AFP choppers or AFP assets will be deployed. Maybe ang reference lang nila sa sea is yung mga pagdating sa ports of entry, pag-alis ko.
Ang ganda, sir.
May river din doon. May
Hindi
river din.
nagdadaan.
Sa Wawa.
Yeah, life of seven.
Sir, idea lang. Sir, yung pagpasok ng tao doon kasi ang dami, tapos marami namang mga pulis, paano matitiyak na walang makakalusot? Paano yung security pagpasok nila? Paano pa ba ganun karaming tao?
No, we will have to credit, of course, of the Iglesia ni Cristo because they have a very good system. They're very organized, and that made our job a lot easier. Kaya nga po nag-deploy kami ng ganun kadaming police as well as yung volunteers. I think dito papasok naman yung ating mga volunteer groups na halos 2,000.
Volunteer groups, yan na po yung security.
So ito yung sabi natin yung more or less 2,000 force multipliers. When we say force multipliers kasi, these are like more or less the volunteer, yung civilian volunteer organization.
Those from the area. Yung mga
Yes,
volunteer
within the immediate area.
Yung security sir ng iglesia, meron silang security ng sir.
Yung mga naka-green.
Yes, we presume this will be also part of the force multipliers.
How many ba yan sila?
It was not detailed in the report.
Pero sa magiging layer, sila ang inner security.
Most likely, they will be part of the inner security, and some of them will also assist or supervise in the outer perimeter. And, basta ang importante dito, yung PNP, ang lead niya is of course security coverage, crowd management, at saka traffic assistance sa tulong ng MMDA din. And the official, ko lang if you may, ang kanyang official position ng ating regional director doon na si Police Chief Superintendent Raul Pedrosanta will be the task group commander on traffic, security, and parking of Task Force Centenario. Of course, you all know that the chairman, MMDA chairman is the overall. So siya yung task group commander on traffic, security, and parking. So, ang particular concern ng PNP ay itong siguro. I would like to believe that this will be the particular focus of the Philippine National Police since doon natang yung sub-task group na yun.
Sir, kailan yung start ng
Well, kung ang sinasabi dito, actually nagde-deploy na sila, no? Especially nung launching na nila siguro yung full force. If I will base it on the pag-akyat ng alert level, which is 3 p.m. on July 25, hindi na po malalayo doon yung deployment, yung peak ng pag-deploy. But as of now, there are PNP personnel already being deployed in the area. And particularly nung pag-inaugurate nung Centennial Cell. Yes.
So anong status of alert natin? I-10 or
all units and officers of you will be placed on heightened alert effective 3 p.m. of July 25. All units yun. But this is in preparation for in the upcoming 3 events. So starting with the Centenario or the IMP Centennial celebration on Sunday, the SONA on Monday, July 28, and the Idil Fitr. However, special case naman for NCRPO, Special Action Force, Regions 3 and 4A will be upgraded to full alert status effective 5 a.m. of July 26, 2014, especially for the SONA. But as always, our Chief PNP, Police Director General Alan Purisimas, directed and reminded regional directors of the different PROs that they are given discretion to either upgrade their alert level depending on the prevailing peace and order situation as they may deem so.
Per budget.
Wala nang pinagkita pa.
Kasama na yung sa ACRP.
Sorry. Alam ko, business world ang magtatanong.
So yung 3,200, sir, kasama na yung mga sa mga ports, sa mga airports, mga aray, mga
This is more of the, ano, ito yung nasabi sa venue or sa pinaka-central place ng celebration.
So wala advanced deployment, sir, for mga ports, yung mga darating, kasi yung mga darating na mga nakabas
Yes, yung the other units, of course, the aviation security group has been duly alerted as to the arrival. Kasama naman po sila sa planning.
Sir, based on your coordination with INC, kailan magsisimulang bumigat yung traffic sa Connect?
Yes, kasi dadaan ka dun eh. Good question. Our estimation is about Sunday, of course, early morning. So, yes, that even before that, baka madaling araw pa ng Sunday. And it will also, we are also expecting some spillover morning of Monday. Yes. And what we are also avoiding here, yung traffic also that might be caused ng overlap nung between Sunday to Monday. But we're confident it will be eased up, and knowing that most of the activities for Monday will be in the afternoon. But deployment will begin in the morning for the zone.
Kano gastos ko?
Hindi ko nga alam.
Matanong ko na yun, sir.
Tapos silang
At least.
Sir, talaga sa SONA, considering na maraming indignation rally, madaming disappointed over the use of DAP. So parang intense yung magiging rally. Ano yung guidance natin sa ating mga police?
kahapon na. Review.
Sinabi na pala kahapon yun.
Hindi naman rin tayo.
Wala pa, no?
Meron kasi nang
Buti ako, ngayon lang yung
Kasi merong sumira doon sa ano eh, may nakunang nagsabi dito. Naglabas na.
Ay, maximum tolerance na.
Anyway, hindi ko nadala yung ano eh.
boss, bura na lang daw yun, bura.
Sorry.
Maximum tolerance.
Yeah, it's directed to ensure, the CPNP is directed to ensure that the safety and security of all those that will be part of the activity tomorrow so na while exercising maximum tolerance.
Sir, parang napansin din lang doon sa release na national
Yes.
usually 5,000 yung binedeploy.
Hindi naman, nagbasa ako, napabasa ako kay Raymond Africa. Nag-research ako, binasa ko yung news clipping ng PIO.
Hindi naman.
Mga 8,000 naman na nakatipid, hindi 7. So, in the past reports, in the past year, our releases were 8,000 because those were the actual figures. Dito, sinasali kasi na natin yung reserve force. We have a reserve force coming from the different regions. They will be here in Camp Crame, most of them. And then if pagkailangan, they will help in CTM. But generally, ang pinaka main force will be from NCRPO, which will be about 8,000, and of course, including the other regions and districts in 4A. Malaking augmentation ang contribute doon. Total strength of NCRPO, you might ask us about 15 to 17,000, more or less. 17,000. 18. Okay, 18. So there will still be, assuming 5,000 will come from, or a small this figure, or 5,000 to 6,000 will come from NCRPO. We still have enough to patrol the streets, perform the regular functions of the BFP in the different areas of Metro Manila.
Sir,
Opo. Sige,
Sir, yung taon-taon din po bago mag-SONA, may mga dialogue sa mga visitante.
Meron na yun, local ano na yun. This will be the local initiative. In fact, I am going there now. It's a dialogue.
So may mangyayari ngayon?
Yes, may dialogue. In fact,
ayaw sagutin.
Hindi naman, hindi pa nangyayari. I will be part of that dialogue. I am going there. I am expected at 2 p.m.
Saan, sir?
Sa announcement lang yun. Alam ko naman
Quezon
eh.
City, sa Morante yata.
Sir, baka maulit yung
Pupunta ako doon.
baka maulit yung incident ng flying black.
Yung foreigner joining the...
Sir, yung isa mga foreigner.
Tama.
Sir, bawal po umiyak.
Hindi, pero
Hindi
dito
naman.
lang naman ang iniyak pala ng
Hindi naman. Yung emotional stress yun eh, di ba?
Walang budget, di ba mas intense ngayon yung issue dahil tapos kuya gutom.
Hindi nga yung banga, walang mag-overlap.
I am sure that all these learning points, saka experiences from the past year were all integrated in sa planning nila for this year. Ganoon naman every year, the mga lessons learned doon, mga best practices as well, ay pinagsasama yan para mas mapabuti ang magpaganap ng tungkulin ng PNP, lalong-lalo na dito sa darating na
Sir?
iba pa activities.
Sir, yung directive doon sa mga foreigner na, kasi di ba bawal?
Well, yun nga, the Bureau, there's no directive immediately na damputin sila or anything, walang ganon. It's just that reminder, it's more of a reminder that if they are foreigners that are on a visitor pass, they are not supposed to participate in any action against the government or group action.
So, yung gagawin sa education na meron.
Oo,
There is a chance that they will be immediately called in for questioning, and we will call on the Bureau of Immigration to validate their status.
So, bawat foreigner, tama ko ba yun, sir, na makikita ng mga polis para check na nila?
Hindi naman. Kasi baka mamaya tisoy lang eh, di ba? Tisoy lang yun. Magkakaroon ng applicants eh. Anyway, yun lang. We cannot at the onset, we cannot just pick up everybody that is foreigner looking. If there's an incident that will give rise, then when yun nga, pag nagkaroon ng incident, then that's the time when we will check identities.
Sir, yung mga staff, hanggang saan lang? Kasi nung 2012, may mga nagkasapan ng baril na sir.
2012.
Sa press, wala pala.
Hindi, of course, alam naman natin ito, no? Yung sa main mga approaches, avenues of approach, doon sa, walang nakabaril yun. Yun.
Sir, advice. Sir,
Impeding mo ka sa security agency. Mga ilan doon?
Hindi ko alam, I think, on matters of, admin na ako na
sir, mabula ako isa son.
Yes.
Sir, advice nyo lang sa mga pulis, kasi tuwing nagkakagulo, may mga nagtatanggal ng
Plate.
ng
Name
name
plate.
Yun na nga eh, di ba, napansin nyo, there is a directive na hindi sila pwede magtanggal ng nameplate. Itong mga bagong uniforms na iniisip namin, mga nameplates hindi pwedeng tanggalin eh, di ba?
Huwag talaga isuot, sir. Para
Hindi naman.
Huwag na mag-uniform.
Hindi naman. So yung bagong uniform.
Sir, papasalan yung bagong uniform.
No, hindi, pang office pa lang yung na-approve eh. Yung patrol uniform, yung Linayal run sa Asiana Poll, medyo napagkitaan ng mga konting defense. So, pinagaganda pa, lalo pag inaayos. On your question, Raymond, yung doon sa kanina, please direct it to the CSG, yung sa security, di ba? CSG, similarly, pagka may questions ulit doon sa mga firearms, the director CSG, Chief Superintendent Mabilin has been duly advised that he will entertain all your questions. Okay? Thank you.
Sir, hanggang saan lang pwede yung mga militante? Ever test ko pa rin.
No, ganun pa rin. Obedient to saan. Tsaka dapat yung circle lang. Hindi ba, Quezon Circle?
Sir, ang gagawin sa mga pulis na